Hey there, this is Kakarotvg. Welcome to MinecraftForge tutorial, episode 10. Today, we're going to go over how to add new crafting and smelting recipes. First thing I'm going to do, however, is I'm going to create a new item. First off, this is so we can have an ingot and smelt something down into the ingot. Assets. Textures, items, ingot, iron, ingot, iron ingot. And open with, yep. Now, today, for this item, I'm actually going to do something special. So, alpha to selection. Make this 1. And then, filters. Render clouds. Different clouds. Turbulent. Okay. That looks crappy, unfortunately. Anyways, color balance, red, blue, shadows, red, not in blue, yellow, and highlights, red, and yellow. What this is supposed to do is create a flamish color. Now let's go to our smudge tool, and we'll have to raise the size to 3. Take this off, and then we'll start smudging. Oh, that's a bit big, actually. If it wasn't for the fact that this is only 16 pixels, this would look a lot better. So now, actually, let's go ahead and undo that. Let's add a gradient in, actually. So go to radial. I want to do deep sea. Nah, not radial. Radial doesn't exactly look good. Bilinear. No. Shaped, angular. There we go. That looks a bit better. And tutorial ingot. Cancel. Go to tutorial modding. Tutorial mods VG. Resources. Assets. Textures. Items. Export. Export. Discard changes. And then ID handler. Public static int. Tutorial ingot ID. Public. See. tutorial init id equals config dot get item IDs tutorial init default value 2401 dot get int semicolon. Now we need to go into item handler, public static item tutorial init tab tutorial init equals new tutorial item id handler dot tutorial init dot set unlocalized name tutorial init dot set creative tab handler dot t tab. Now register the item. Registry dot register item tutorial init tutorial init registry dot add name tutorial init tutorial init. Okay. So let's run this. Run. Make sure the item actually works correctly. And open up the menu. And there it is. Our tutorial ingot. May not look like an ingot, but it is an ingot. So anyway, save and quit the title. And now is where we get to the crafting stuff. So new class. New class recipe handler. Public static void register crafting game registry though public static void register smelting game registry. Okay, so now for the recipes. Speaking of which I need to look from my other code real quick. Okay, so anyways, what this does is this adds a recipe to craft the tutorial block, and it has a tutorial item that creates it. Now let's create the other crafting recipes. Registry dot add recipe, new item stack, item handler dot no new item stack tool handler dot tutorial x, comma 1. What this number represents is how many of it you want it to give you after you craft it. So I'm just gonna do 1, comma TTT space, comma T space space, no, TS space, comma space S space. Then another comma, quotation, or no, an apostrophe, T, comma, item handler dot tutorial item, comma, apostrophe S, comma, item dot stick. Now I'm going to go ahead and copy this, and I'm going to go ahead and get all the crafting recipes done, and I'll see you when. Okay, so what I did here was I added a shapeless recipe so that when you place a tutorial block back into the crafting grid, you get some tutorial items. And then comma, let's get 5. Alright, so I'm going to add a couple new recipes. So registry dot add recipe, new item stack, block handler dot tutorial block 2, comma 1, tab, and then TTT, comma TS TGT, comma TTT, comma, and then T will equal item handler dot tutorial item, and comma G will equal item dot G will equal item dot gold, and anyways, so registry dot add shapeless recipe, new item stack, item handler dot tutorial item, comma 5. Then the parameters, new object, block handler dot tutorial block 2. Can check that format and boom. Okay, so now registry dot add smelting and block handler dot animated block dot block ID new item stack item handler dot tutorial init and the XP 12.0f. Those are our crafting and smelting recipes. Here in the video tutorial, not crafting handler, recipe handler dot register crafting game registry. Recipe handler dot smelting new game registry. And then Command Shift F to format, Command Shift F to save. Run the game. And then single player. New world. Get everything that can be used for crafting. Smelting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything else. Now we need some coal or charcoal. And we need a furnace and a crafting table. Some sticks. And some gold. Okay. First things first, let's test the crafting recipes. Smelting. Looks like it's working so far. If it gives out a tutorial ingot, then it works. And it did. See if this does. No, it doesn't because we didn't add a recipe. This. Should give us another tutorial ingot. That's it for smelting. And now, tutorial item gives a tutorial block. Gold ingot surrounded by a tutorial item gives out tutorial block 2. Okay, so now tutorial ingot just a second. Save the title. That would be why. I'm going to change that to ingot. C Command V Command V, Command V, same with pickaxe, same with sword, same with shovel, same with hoe, and same with axe. Now let's run the game again. Okay. So now enter the crafting table. Two, and 1. Tutorial leggings, tutorial helmet. As you can see, it doesn't give off any of the enchantments, which I don't quite know how to do. But anyways, that works. One, 2, 3. Got that. Now we just need to give off the axe and the sword. Ta-da. Ta-da. That's like all of our recipes work. So, we're good to go. See you guys next time when we go over creating custom liquids and maybe such. See you guys next time. Bye.